Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to you all for our grammar class. Children, you all have learnt about parts of speech in your previous classes. Today, let us going to revise one of the parts of speech, that is adjectives. Okay, you all know that adjectives are the words that describe the nouns. Okay, what are adjectives? They are the words that describe the nouns. I have taken few examples here. See here, first one is beautiful picture. So here picture is a noun, and how is that picture? It is beautiful. This word beautiful is describing the noun picture. That is why beautiful is an adjective. In the same way, innocent girl. What type of girl is she? She is an innocent girl. So innocent is an adjective. Then family property. So property is a noun here. So if we take family separately, if I only take family, then what it becomes? It becomes a noun. But now here, this family, the term family, it is describing the term property. Is it a family property or is it a public property? So what type of property is that? So it is a family property. That is why this family is acting as an adjective here. This word is describing the noun property. That is why family is an adjective. Then next one is overwhelming gloom. So gloom means darkness, you know, no? What type of gloom is it? It is overwhelming. Overwhelming is an adjective. Then 20 days. So 20 is an adjective. Okay. So now you have understood the meaning of adjective. Now let us see if we have to use two or more adjectives at a time, then which adjective should be used first? So for that, we have some rules. Let us see some examples, children. So first example, small green insect. Small green insect. So insect is a noun. What type of insect is that? It is a small and green insect. So instead of saying small green insect, if I say green small insect, so it will not, it is not a correct usage. So small green insect is the correct usage. Another example, let us see. Beautiful wooden picture frame. See here, frame is the noun, and for this frame, to describe this frame, you are using three adjectives here. Beautiful wooden picture frame. Beautiful wooden picture. These three words are the adjectives here. Okay. So instead of saying beautiful wooden picture frame, if I say wooden beautiful picture frame or picture wooden beautiful frame, that would be wrong. The correct usage will be beautiful wooden picture frame. Okay. So to know how to use adjectives, okay, if we have to use two or more adjectives at a time, which adjective should be used first? For that we have an order. So that we will learn now. So first of all, opinion. Okay. Opinion should be told first. So opinion here means boring, wonderful. All these are opinions. No, boring classes. About the class, boring is our opinion. Okay. Wonderful session. Whether the session may be wonderful or it may be boring. So that wonderful, it is our opinion. So opinion should be told first. Then after opinion, the second adjective, it is size. Okay. So size, it means our thing may be small, big, or it if it is uncountable noun, then few, more, like that. Then numbers 5, 20, all this come under size. Then next one is, children, your quality. Beautiful, then ugly, good, better, bad. All these are qualities. All these words describe about the qualities of a particular noun, right? So quality comes third. So we'll give number, opinion first one, then comes your size, then children comes your quality, then after quality age, old, new, ancient, modern, historical. All these words tell about the age of particular object or particular person, right? Historical period. If I say historical period, so what type of period is it? It is historical. Gondavana age. That Gondavana, it is telling about what? Age. Then one more example. He is an old man, old. This is a new car. So these words, they are telling about what? The age of that particular that particular thing or person. Then after age, next order is your color. Okay, color you know, no, red, green, yellow, blue, white, etc. Then comes your origin. ಯಾವುದೇ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಮೂಲ, origin. Okay, so ಮೂಲ ಯಾವುದು? Origin. Is it an American company or is it a Japanese product? So origin of the product, ಆ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ source, ಮೂಲ. Then next one is after origin, you have sixth one, that is seventh one. Sixth one is origin, seventh one is children, material. Okay, what materials is it? Is it a gold chain or is it a silver bangle? Is it an aluminum door or is it a wooden table? So material, of what material that particular thing is made of. Then last comes type. What type is that? So electrical pump, or your next one is your outdoor game, indoor game. So what type of game is it? Is it an outdoor game or is it an indoor game? So these words, they tell about what? The type. So in this order, we have to use the adjectives. If we have to use two or more adjectives at a time, in that case what we have to do, children? We have to follow this order. The same thing is given in your textbook also. In page number, children, yes, I think it is, yes, 29. In page number 29, they have explained you. They have told about this. Afterwards, they have given few examples. Some 8 questions they have given. Let us solve some 4. One they have already solved for you. See, first one is vase. Okay, you might have heard about flower vase, no? Flower vase. So this is a noun. To describe this vase noun, 3 adjectives are there. One is glass, second one is old, and third one is lovely. Okay, so which adjective we have to use first? Glass, old, lovely vase. If we say like that, it is not right. Else if we say old, lovely glass vase, that is also not correct usage. Okay, so which is the correct usage? For that we have to follow this order. See here, lovely. Lovely, it is the quality of that vase, or else opinion. For few people that vase may be lovely, for few people it may not be lovely. So you can consider this lovely either as an opinion or as the quality of that vase. So that is why lovely comes first. Then old is what, children? Old is age. I have told, no? Old is age. So the word old, it is telling about the age of that vase. Then next comes, children, glass. Glass is material. So what type of vase is it? It is a glass vase. So the correct usage here is a lovely old glass vase. Understood? So this is how you have to follow a particular order. So let us solve few more here. Yes. Now here game I have taken. Okay. So game. family, new, exciting. So, three adjectives you have here to describe the word game. Family, new, exciting game. If I say new family exciting game, it would be a wrong answer. The correct usage is, let us check, children. Here you have exciting. Okay. Exciting. It is your opinion or quality of that game. You can take it as opinion or else you can take it as quality. So that is why it comes first. Afterwards, family and new are remaining. No, new is age. And what about family? Family game. It is a what? Indoor game, outdoor game, like that. Family game. So family here it is type. Then age it is new it is new tells about the age of that game. So first of all, which comes? Exciting comes, then comes your new, and finally family comes. So how you will describe the word game here? Now you will describe it as exciting new family game. Opinion came first, afterwards age, then came your type. See, we have the same order, no children? Here we have the same order, no? See, opinion, then comes age, then comes type, right? So in this way, you have to use the adjectives. Then another example, that is computer. There is a noun computer and they have given three adjectives to describe this word computer. One word is business, children. Second one is Japanese. Third one is powerful. So powerful, it describes about the quality of this computer. Quality. Okay. Powerful, it describes about the quality. Then Japanese. Japanese, it tells about the origin, from which country or from which place is that computer from. From which place is that computer or to which place that computer belongs. So this is Japanese. It talks about the origin. Then comes your business. Okay. So business, it is the type of that computer. Now how will you use? In which order will you use these three adjectives? So you'll use these three adjectives in this order: powerful, Japanese, business, computer. Okay. See, powerful, quality comes first. Powerful, quality comes first. Next comes your origin, and finally you have type. So quality comes in the third place, origin comes in the sixth place, and type comes in the eighth place. Understood? So that is why powerful, Japanese, business, computer. So we will have another example, that is doors. Doors is a noun here. To describe these doors, you have three adjectives here. One is aluminium, second one is garage, and third one is stylish. Okay. So let us check. This stylish, this adjective, it is describing the quality of that door. What quality of door is it? It is a stylish door. It can be a simple door. It can be a stylish door, right? So it is telling about the quality of this door, no? So stylish, quality. Then next comes aluminium. Aluminium, it speaks about of what material this door is made of. Okay. So aluminium material. Then comes garage. Of what type? Garage door, money door, like that. So type. So quality comes first. Next comes your material. Then third comes your type. See here, let us check the order. Quality is there in the third place. Then comes seventh place, material. Material comes in the seventh place. And in the eighth place we have type. Okay. So thus, how will we describe the word door here? By using these three adjectives, we will describe it as a stylish, aluminium, garage, doors. Understood? So, in this order, you have to use the adjectives if you have to use 2 or more adjectives at a time. So, first one they have solved, children. Then third one I have solved for you. Then fourth one I have solved it for you. Then next comes the last one, eighth one. This is also solved by me for you, right? So which are remaining now? Second one, then fifth one, sixth one, and seventh one. So you solve these 4 examples. Okay. Thank you very much. Let us meet in the next video.